We missed one.
I told you. You had to believe me.
No, I ain't gonna believe you. No, I just need to change this to 8. Let's make this 8.
You had to believe
Oh, you never know.
me.
Let's do this now. Let's do this. So, down. Look at that. Look at that.
Cody.
So, stick around with us in this video and we'll go through and show you how to access this this wonderful online resource.
Subscribe, like, share, and comment, yo. Yeah, let me tell you now, we are the Robdons, bringing you blogs from the positivity in you. Check in with us, we'll bring you fun, education, family, marriage clips, yeah. Stay tuned for the challenges, fame moves and travel. We got your back. Subscribe, like, share, and comment. Mr. God got you, yeah. We are the Robdons, yo. Like, share, and comment, yeah. We are the Robdons, Mr. Link the link, yo. Robdons, we are the Robdons.
Hey guys, welcome to another video right here on the Robdons. I am Nicholas Robertson. I'm a trained computer science teacher who now resides in the United Kingdom. And if you are following our blogs, you would realize that we have decided to commence full-blown homeschool for our child, as we believe that it will give him lots more benefits and advantage. It also gives us autonomy over that which we actually teach. On this channel, guys, we talk about everything. Living in the UK, being a teacher inside of the UK, migrating to the UK. We talk about family, marriage, children, and just about everything. We give you a holistic view of what it is like to live within the UK. So if this is content that you are interested in, please go ahead and subscribe. Touch the notification bell that when we go live or we share a video, you are first to be notified. So what we're going to be doing in this video today is to show you a homeschool resource that you can actually use to learn computer science. All right, it is called Code Academy. So I'm going to show you how to create an account on there. I'm also going to show you how to access the syllabus, explain to you what you'll be learning at every stage, and hopefully, right, you could decide to use this resource. Now, mark you, while I am preparing this for homeschool students specifically, remember that you can use this to teach your child. Peradventure your child lives in another country outside of the United Kingdom or even inside the United Kingdom, but they do not have resources to actually learn computer science. Computer science is one of the STEM subjects, and it's very important that we learn this in this era. I normally say to students and their parents when they come to see me at parents' evening and they're trying to make up their mind, I say it's not always good to choose what you love, but also to look at your life years to come and look at the job that is going to give you convenience, the job that is mobile, portable, that is going to give you the ability to work in different countries, earn different currency, and of course, in convenience. And I think computer science allows one that opportunity. So stick around with us in this video and we'll go through and show you how to access this online resource. Remember again, this is not just for homeschool students, but it's just for anyone who wants to learn computer science. I think it's a good starting resource to help you engage in the content and learn basic coding. So let's go. All right, guys. So now all you have to do is go straight to Google and just type in Code Academy. Just type in Code Academy. You're going to go ahead and just click this link at the top. Now, if you don't have an account, you can just simply go and sign up an account. If you have a Google account, you can do sign up with Google. Enter your email address and password, and then you'll be able to gain access to this front page. But I already have an account because I started my son off on this already. And you'll notice that he has already completed 57% of this curriculum. So he's halfway there and he's finding it wonderful and excellent. We're going to show you a clip of him enjoying his content. Them can be accessed and changed through the execution of a program. Alright, so this throughout this course, we will use block-click commands to guide Cody towards their goals. So you are the Cody. So you're going to drag the commands into the right-hand box and connect them together to make a program. So look at that. They want to drag that together. Okay. Why are you trying to do that, Nick?
I'm trying to make, if he goes down and gets the key, and the Y direction is down enough, he will like stop.
Pick up the key.
No, when he goes down and hits the block.
And pick the key up.
Yeah, and if his Y direction is now 6 blocks high, it will go there when it reaches to 6 blocks down, and then I want it to go up to this chest.
Okay. Alright, so let's read that together. So it says, while the program is running, you want it to move down.
Yeah.
And if the Y is position, what position?
6.
Greater than 6? Is it less than 6?
Yeah, maybe we should put less than 6.
What if you put it equal to 7? What would happen?
Ooh, yeah. I don't know. Let me just do that. Seems like it's not working.
That need a little bit of help, so I am going to try and see if I got it right. He's telling me I have it wrong. I think I have it almost right, if not right. So let's see. So while the program is running, that's what this is showing, and Cody doesn't have a key, want it to move down, so it's going to move down here. And then now else if, which means Cody now have a key to check if x is less than 9, it's going to move right. Then what it is going to do next is move up. So let's see if I'm right. Come on! Oh no!
Told you!
We missed one.
I told you. You had to believe me.
No, I ain't gonna believe you. No, I just need to change this to 8. Let's make this 8.
You had to believe
you never know. Let's do it. So, down. Look at that. Look at that.
Cody.
No, let's just talk about the platform itself. So this is the dashboard. If you click on my learning here, it is intended to show you what he has already learned. It also shows you where he is at inside of his learning, and of course he can resume his learning here. If you click on here, you're going to see the syllabus, which is what is intended to be learned. So if you notice here, he's expected first, he's given an introduction to learn to code with Blockly. Then he's learning to code with Blockly, but now he's learning about variables. Then he learns about functions, subroutines is very important. And then he's learning about loops. And now, back in lesson 1, he learns about if statements. And finally, he's going to be learning about lists. So this is a good way to start off coding and programming and gain the opportunity to understand the content and have a base understanding of how the program actually works. All right, the course also comes with quizzes, so there'll be different quizzes that they get, about 4 to 5 questions at the end of each level, and they have to answer, and that now helps them to check their learning. They're also able to retake the test as many times to make sure that they actually get 100% on the test. If you're a parent like me, I want to make sure the child's getting 100%, so he has to redo it until he actually gets it. The course also shows you, of course, a cheat sheet, which basically an additional resource if you are actually struggling. It also gives hints and to the answer. If you think you are struggling to come up with an answer, definitely gives hint and also provides the answer. So even if you're a parent supporting your child and you don't know anything about programming, once you read the content, watch the video, quite accessible, easy for you to access. But if there's a question that you're finding challenging, you can go to the hint, or you can also go to the answer. And of course, you help to keep you on top of your game. You can also reset the progress. So if you are at this particular point, you want to reset, you can also go ahead and do that. At the end of completion, the child gets a certificate of completion. So like I said, this is a very good resource, especially parents who are trying to cope with activities for their children, outside of school. This is something that they can actually do, and of course, gain a certificate to feel a sense of accomplishment where this is concerned. I'm going to click on resume course just so you can can see what the classroom setup is like. All right, so in all of the lessons, for example, this if statement one, this one is about if else statements, or what we call selection statements in programming. And here it says we have learned to use if statements to perform an action when a condition is met. But what if we want something to happen when the condition is met and something else to happen when the condition is not met? Else statements can be added to if statement. And here they're showing an example. So if you were to learn this in Python or text-based language, this is pretty much what it would look like. But if you notice, they're doing it here in a block base. Obviously, you can switch this over when it gets much easier and just do text. But at the moment, as a beginner, I recommend that you use the blocks because you don't have to be worrying about indentation and, of course, the different curly brackets that you are missing out. Oh, by the way, this is not Python. This looks more like Java. No, imagine we're trying to go the movies. Notice that if I have a car, this is a condition, drive to the theater, else something else happen, walk to the theater. That means if I don't have any car, I'm going to walk to the theater. And here it is saying, here our code would have us drive if we have a car or walk if we don't. We get there one way or another. Then watch the movie. Else statements helps us to define different paths for our code to follow. Let's practice getting coding to their goal using the if-else statements. All right. Once you get to this particular point, the next thing you're going to do is to go down to the instructions. It says here coding will need to go in one direction before getting the key and then another afterwards. Can you use an if-else statement to define the behavior? All right, so while the program is running, and I'm just going to just write this in here. So while the program is running, we'll put an if-else statement in. Coded does not have key. Right. So go left. Now you move, right? So you need to put this move in. So if he does not have key, in this case, he doesn't have the key, so he should go up. Yeah, doesn't have a key, he should go up. If he has the key, we want him to move down. All right. So basically what you do in this particular context, you can run the program to see if this actually works. So notice it's going up. because he doesn't have the key. All right. All right, so it shouldn't move down. So notice our program here doesn't work. So it shows you that this is it. So if he has a key, we don't want him to move down. We want him to move right. If you click on here, click run, you see it go up, and then finds the key. Now he's going to move right and go to the area which he is supposed to go. So quite a fun way of learning to program. And of course, there's that, compliment at the end, congrats, you have reached the goal. Now, if I had gotten stuck on this, I could just go to hint here and say coding needs to go up if they don't have a key and go right if they don't. That's it. And if it's still struggling there, you can just click on this and show you what to do here, which is pretty much what we have done. But because I've read the content and it's so simple and accessible, I was able to actually get this done. So, I mean, if this is done, you're just going to click on next and you move on to your next module that you're actually learning. Right? So again, this is a wonderful resource to use, not just for persons who are teachers or professionals, or even personally doing homeschooling. So every parent, I think every parent should take on this opportunity to learn about programming. All right. So again, I'm just going to go back to the home page here to make sure that we have covered everything. You also realize that this is the free version or child version, but you can always upgrade. So if you like it, you can upgrade it and continue to learn more about coding and also programming. All right. There's also a community for people to join in. I'm sure you get to meet and speak with other persons through the various blogs that's there. And obviously, most programming network now are trying to mirror what the real world is like. So you can also establish a team, and the team can work together on projects together. All right, so that's pretty much what it's all about. You can also set weekly targets. I also love that. So if you're as a parent want to set some target for the child, remember it's perhaps homeschool and you don't want to have just set hours as if they're in school, right? So you could say for them, well, over the next 7 days, you need to get up to here. So the child learns to manage their time and decide what time best to work. The goal is not how they do it, is as long as they get the task done successfully. All right. So beautiful website. So please check it out, try it out, and just let me know how it is working for you. All right. I will be sharing lots more resources that we're actually using in our homeschool, and just to give you a review and see how things are working, and encourage you to use this, gain greater autonomy over your child's education, be in direct control of what they're actually learning. Don't just leave it up to schools. All right. Sometimes children get better experience at home, and this is one resource that really will help parents to actually get the best out of their children. So, about to sign out of this today. But again, if there is any other resource or information that you need regarding traveling, living in the UK, becoming a teacher inside of the UK, marriage, family, we have it right here on this channel. This is your one-stop for anything that is honest and authentic about the UK. So just reach out to us and we will definitely get back to you. All right. So with that said, until next time, so long. Have a copacetic rest of the day.
We got your back. Subscribe, like, share, and comment. Mr. God got you. Yeah. We are the Robdons. Yo, like, share, and comment. Yeah. We are the Robdons. The Robdons. Mr. Link the link.